Actually, here we see that you are enjoying very nice modernization. Here in Delhi, we have air conditioning, we have phone, we have nice houses, we have cars, Biman, we have all type of facility. You see, a Western opulence. Same facility that anyone has in the modern world. But we see that throughout the world, with these facilities, people are not happy. I was born in a foreign country, and I was not happy. I have not seen anyone who has been happy yet simply by these things. So we are not saying that these things should be discarded. What is the need? That also won't make you happy. But Krishna, you all have Krishna. You know Krishna, you know Ram. So Krishna doesn't have to be added. In the West, Krishna has to be added. Only thing is that nowadays Krishna has gone to the side. As our Giriraj Maharaj said, Krishna Kendra Chahiye. We need Krishna in the center. So we are simply trying to encourage everyone that they should not keep Krishna on the side, but keep Krishna in the center. It's like Yudhishthira. Because he kept Krishna in the center, therefore he was always protected. And Duryodhana, he wanted to keep Krishna so much on the side, on the outside. Therefore he lost everything. So we want the secret of happiness to be revealed. What is that secret? Brahmabhuta prasanatma nasochiti nakanchiti shanga sharaveshu bhuteshi mad bhaktam labate param. That one has to practice bhakti, devotion to Krishna. That is the secret of happiness.